Hi guys, in this lecture I will show you how you can create a Linux group. In order to create a Linux group, you can use a command called group add and the group name. It's very simple to create a group. Let me show you practically. I'm going to the server. Let me log in here and let me clear the screen. So I'm using a sudo command because Ankush user does not have the default permission. So sudo I need to use. Now use so that we will just cross check the symbol, cross check the syntax, group add. So we are using group add and username and the group name. Let's say I'm going to create one group name as DBA. Let me give the password. Done. Now whenever you create a group, that group information will be available into a file. We called it as a /etc/group. It has all the group information. So if you just go here cat/etc/group, you can see all the group over here. I can see there is a DBA, the group is available, and this is a group ID. Okay, now if you want to just grep it, you can also grep means if you just want to search with this DBA group, you can do like this. I got the only last record now. DBA is a group and this is a group ID. Okay, this is how you can create a group. Now what I will do in the next lecture, I will show you how you can add a group, add a user into this group. Okay, so we are going to see that in the next lecture. Thank you.